Hello everyone, my name is Braden Chase, here for Easy Funnel System, and I wanted to share with you guys an important kind of lesson that happened a while ago to me in my online courses and the things that I do online. And it's actually a story of when I kind of first started actually really making money online, and I was so excited about it. Because the first course I built, I've told this before, I built and it kind of sat there. I didn't really make very much money for a while. Started learning how to market, then I started making money, and I'm like, sweet, this is awesome. Let's make this work. And at a particular point, we were making not crazy money, but $5,000 or $6,000 a month. I'm like, sweet, look at all of this extra money. Let's take that out. And we can pay ourselves, and I can have this, and we can go out to dinner, and let's go buy, a new couch, and let's go do these things. We have all this extra money, let's do it. And it was great, right? We had a lot of fun with all this extra money that came in. But then this problem happened where political things, way outside of my control and out of control of the course or anything like that, happened, and my particular market that I was selling to suddenly didn't have any money anymore. And I'm like, oh, my money's gone. What do I do, right? And it was just gone. Right? I could not do anything about it because the power's way larger than me. I couldn't fix it. So I remember sitting there going, now what do I do? The money's gone because I spent it. I spent it on me, and I spent it on fun. I could have left that money inside the business and maybe used it to, let's shift and sell to other people, or maybe use that money to fund a new project, a new course or something, but now the money was gone. What am I going to do? And the thing that I learned from that process was that keep as much money in the business as possible and only take out a little tiny bit for yourself, for your paycheck for yourself. And if you want to be making a lot of money in that paycheck, then your business needs to generate tremendous amounts of money. Online, we hear lots of people say big things. Oh, I'm making $100,000 a month, or I'm making $1 million a month, or $10,000 a month. And you never really know what that means. Is that $10,000 total? Is that $10,000 profit? Is that $10,000 paycheck? Is it something in between? What does that mean? And usually the business people are telling what's called revenue, which is the big number. And a lot of businesses can do, $100,000 a month, or $10,000 a month. The business can pull off $10,000 a month, but you probably have to spend half of that, 50% of that, just in advertising to keep things rolling. Then you've got half of that left over, and then you've got other costs, maintenance and Facebooks and your email lists and their whatever other tools that you have, your Dropbox accounts and your internet access and all that kind of stuff that's filtered in there. And then money disappears very quickly. And suddenly what was $10,000 a month is now $2,000 a month. Like, oh, hey, let's pull that out for myself. And then you have no money and you have a problem. So over the years, this image keeps coming into my mind. And the image is of a balloon, a big red balloon. And if you blow it up and you fill up this balloon, there's a bunch of stuff in there. But if you open up the bottom and all of the air comes out, then the balloon dies. We need to keep as much money inside of that business to keep the business functioning as possible, so that it can continue to feed us, right? And we can continue to be paid by the business. If we suck out all of the money from the business, just like sucking out all of the air from the balloon, it'll just die, and then there's nothing left, right? You're killing the golden goose, is our idiom, saying, moral of the story, whatever we call it, that thing. But those percentages were really key for me. If you really want to be successful, don't ever take more than 10% of your total revenue in a month and put it in your pocket. Just never. Just done. 10% max, 5% if you really want to push your business and make it grow quickly. And if you do that, if you're only no more than 10% of your monthly income monthly revenue, business revenue is into your pocket as a paycheck, you'll have 90% of that total revenue can be reinvested into the business. The business can grow faster. You can get employees or, contractors, VAs, something, buy new equipment, get faster internet, whatever. Things that make your life easier as a business, make it more automated, whatever. You can change those things with that money. But if you suck it all out, then the business can't ever function and it'll slowly die. So that's kind of the lesson for today. I know that's kind of sad, but it's it's an important lesson, and it's one that I learned through a lot of pain, and I wanted to share that with you, right? That it's, if you start carefully, then you can grow so much faster, and you don't have the same kind of pains that I have had. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. Have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Turn it off. It's not turning off. Hold on. We'll get there.